Indulge in this exquisite recipe for a strawberry cake. Start by whisking eggs with sugar, a pinch of salt, and a hint of vanilla until fluffy. Add a bit of oil and pink food coloring, then mix in flour and baking powder. Spread the mixture on parchment paper and bake. Once it's baked to perfection, let it cool. For the cream, blend cream cheese with powdered sugar until smooth, then gradually add cold, heavy cream, whipping until it thickens. Assemble the cake with fresh strawberries, rolling it up as shown in the video. Decorate with ladyfingers and strawberry chocolate if desired. Check the description for full details.